welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld special, Glorious God, and we're going to be doing it in the key of F. Alright, so before we continue, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe, share the link, leave a comment, and be a part of our channel. Alright, so I have a beginner course for beginners. You can find the link in my description box if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, you can also as well leave a comment there and I'll send you the link. If you're also watching on Cflix, you can get into my bio. I have my WhatsApp number there. We can chat, and whatever help you need, the one I can offer, I'll be able to extend to you. So thank you for being a part of this video. All right, so it's a 6-7-1 beginning, right? So because we are playing it in the key of F, so you play a 6, 7, and then 1. So again, chord 1, you are beautiful, chord 4, T4. So you suspend it before you move to the 5, then Prince of Peace, God 4, and Lord of all. Then you are holy, holy. So with that one, you do a 4-5-3, but you maintain the 4 and then you move to a 5, so it becomes a 5/4 before the 3 chord. So this is how it is. You are holy. So this is a 5, this is a 4. You are holy, holy. That's a 3/6. Then you do a 2-5-1. Holy is your name. Flat 7/5. You are righteous, righteous. That's a chord 2. 4/5. Your name. 6-7-1. 4, 5, again, 7-1, 4, 6-5, 4, 2-5. Your name. Flat 7/5. You are 3-6. 2. Your name. All right. So I hope you are able to follow and play along. So it's a chord 6-7-1 from 1 to 4, 4, and then 5/4, a 3, 2, a 6, 2, 5, 1. Then a flat 7/5. You begin the whole progression again. All right. So thank you. I want you to leave a comment and then share the link, like the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.